morning all of you. I tell about APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam was born October 15, 1931 in Rameswara, Tamil Nadu. Sold newspapers to his family's income. Also known as the Missile Man of India. Also as the 11th President of Republic Day on India, 18th July 2002. He died on 27th July 2015. He works DRDO and ISRO. APJ Abdul Kalam was 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. Thank you, sir, for giving this golden opportunity.
The Honorable the Director of NISC, Mr. Jairaj sir, and my dear friends, very warm good morning to one and all present here. Today, my name is Vinyasri. I am studying in 6th class. I am the student of NISC. I would like to tell about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He sold newspapers to supplement his family's income. Graduate from Madras Institute of Technology in Aeronautical Engineering in 1960. He couldn't achieve his dream as a fighter pilot. He joined in Defense Research and Development Organization as a scientist after graduation. He transferred to the Indian Space Research Organization in 1969. He served as the Project Director of Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle 3. He also known as the Missile Man of India. He elected as the 11th President of the Republic of India on 18th July 2002 to 2007. He died on 27th July 2015. Thank you, sir, for giving this golden opportunity.
The Honorable the Director of NISC, Mr. Jairaj sir, and my dear friends, very warm good morning for all of you. I am a student of NISC. My name is Lalam Shaubit. Today's topic is APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He was 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. His dreams becoming a fighter pilot, but he becomes a scientist. His father name was Jainal Abdin. His mother name was Ashi Amma. He studies physics and aeronautical space engineering. He joined in DRDO and ISRO. DRDO means Defense Research Organization Development. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization Development. Thank you, sir, for giving this golden opportunity.
The Honorable the Director of NISC, Mr. Jairaj sir, and my dear friends, very warm good morning to one and all present here. My name is K. Supraja. I am student of NISC. Today I will discuss APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam full name is Abul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. He is a great scientist. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He sold newspapers to supplement his family's income. He was graduated from Madras Institute of Technology in Aeronautical Engineering in 1960. Couldn't achieve his dream of becoming a fighter pilot. Also titled as the People's President. He was the 11th President of India and served the nation for one term from 2002 to 2007. He studied physics and aerospace engineering and later joined DRDO and ISRO as professional. He was intimately involved in India's civilian space program and military missile development efforts. He thus came to be Missile Man of India. Kalam received 7 honorary doctorates from 40 universities. The government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 1981 and Padma Vibhushan 1990. In 1997, Kalam received highest honored the Bharat Ratna. He was died in 27th July 2015. Thank you, sir, for giving this golden opportunity.
Honorable the Director of NISC, Mr. Jairaj sir, and my dear friends, good morning all of you. My name is Vijay Madhva. I have completed 10th class in JP School, Rolgunta. I am the student of NISC. Today's topic, the great Indian scientist, missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born 15th October 1931 in Tamil Nadu. His father Jainuddin and his mother Ashi Amma. Dr. Kalam full name is Avul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. He graduated Madras Institute of Technology in Aeronautical Engineering. After he joined DRDO and ISRO as a professional. DRDO means Defense Research Development Organization and ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. Dr. Kalam, Project Director of PSLV-3. PSLV means Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Dr. Kalam, 11th President of India 2002 to 2007. Dr. Kalam also called Missile Man of India. He wrote Wings of Fire and My Journey. He was got Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and High Civil Air Award, Bharat Ratna. His motto, education is most powerful weapon which can use it to change the world. Dr. Kalam was a great Indian scientist, politician and missile man of India. Thank you, sir, for giving this golden opportunity.
The Honorable Director of NISC, Mr. Jairaj sir, and my dear friends, very warm good morning one and all present here. My name is Adapa Ramakrishna. I am age working primary school headmaster MPPS in Juburevulu. I am the student of NISC. Today I would like to tell Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He was joined DRDO as a scientist after graduation. He was graduation Madras Institute of Technology in 1960, aeronautical in space engineering. He was elected 11th President of India on 18th July 2002 to 2007. He was wrote Wings of Fire and My Journey. He was motto, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. He was died 27th 2050. Thank you, sir, for giving this golden opportunity.
The Honorable Director of NISC, Mr. Jairaj sir, and my dear friends. Very good morning one and all present here. I am Bhaskar. I am studying Diploma Narsiparanam Government Polytechnic. I am the student of NISC. Today topic on APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October in 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He sold a newspaper to supplement his family income in childhood days. His APJ Abdul Kalam's full name is Dr. Avul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. Dr. Kalam is a great motivation for several people, especially younger students. He was graduated from Madras Institute in Aeronautical Engineering. He studied physics and aerospace engineering and later joined DRDO and ISRO. DRDO means Defense Research and Development Organization and ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization in 1960 as a professional. The PSLV Director of APJ Abdul Kalam. PSLV means Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Dr. Kalam was 11th President of India and he served to the nation from 2002 to 2007. He wrote the My Journey and Wings of Fire. He was got Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan in 1990 and highest civilian award is Bharat Ratna in 1997. He is also known as Missile Man of India. He was died on 27 July in 2015 in Shillong, Meghalaya. Thank you, sir, for giving this golden opportunity.
The Honorable Director of NISC, Mr. Jairaj sir, and my dear friends, all of you, good morning, present here. Today topic, the great missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October in 1931 in Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. His father name Jainuddin, his mother name Ashi Amma. APJ Abdul Kalam full name Avul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam sold newspapers his childhood days. APJ Abdul Kalam studied physics and aeronautical engineering. He worked at DRDO and ISRO. He project director of PSLV-3. He wrote some books. They are Wings of Fire and My Journey and some books. He got some awards. They are Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and Bharat Ratna. Also, he called the Missile Man of India. He was died July 27 in 2015 in Shillong in Meghalaya. His motto, education is the most powerful weapon which can use it to change the world. Thank you, sir, for giving this golden opportunity.